Hide your hair.
Hello friends, what's up? Oh, did I look cool?
Huh? You did not look that cool, to be honest. Wait, hide your hair, bro. I see your whole ass head.
Hello friends, what's up? What's up?
That was
Hello friends, what's up?
There you go.
Hello friends, what's up? So, in today's video, I have someone filming me for the first time in my life. It's UZAIR, but still, like, it's kind of weird having him behind the camera. So, today I'm gonna be making IFTAAR for my entire family. Dad's always here in spirit though, so it's okay. What was that?
I want to come closer.
I don't like my new filming guy.
I want to come closer. That was like,
that was really annoying.
Let's be in your face.
Here's what we're gonna make today. I'm gonna make, I think, 4 things. I'm gonna make dahi bade. My mouth is watering. I'm gonna make dahi bade. I'm gonna fry some samosa. We're gonna make fruit chaat and then some ruhaza.
Do a dance. Do a dance. Do a dance. Do a dance. Do a dance.
Oh,
yeah. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh.
Content you subscribe for. What am I doing? Where am I going? Where's all the food that I need, Mom? For fruit chat, what do I need?
You need all the fruits, Lala.
And don't show them our fridge. Actually, show them our fridge. Oh, don't show them our fridge.
Throw a banana. Throw a banana. Throw a banana. Ah!
Nice.
Throw an apple. Oh, got it.
Great.
Throw this one high. I'm ready. Ah! Don't do it quick. Do it.
Some chaat masala. Where's your chaat masala? Let's cut these. You wanna help me cut?
No.
Why?
Tell them what you got. Show them one more time.
What do you mean? We got a pear. We got the banana, which I hate bananas. We got an apple. We got grapes. And the mango juice.
You look mad uncomfortable that I'm filming you though.
I am.
You
It
look
feels
like
really weird.
you're like I don't know if I want this. Yo, literally listen to me. I know I'm the cameraman. I'm supposed to shut the hell up. But grow up. How are you doing a cooking video and the mom's the one you're asking mom everything?
I don't want to screw it up. So we got our fancy bowl, and I'm just gonna cut up all of these fruits. Hey, let me tell you, I don't like the fruit chaat. I don't like it. Do you like it?
I hate fruit chaat. If
go.
I go to someone's house and they make fruit chaat, I'm so upset.
Yeah.
But I eat it because I'm not disrespectful.
I see it and it makes me angry.
Kheer too.
Huh?
Kheer too.
Oh, and kheer, yo. I can't stand kheer. If somebody made kheer for dessert.
Preach, Liba, preach.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna chop up all this stuff. I feel like UZAIR should come on the other side and help me.
I got knife skills too, guys. It's not just her.
Do you think it's gonna bother them that we're not centered?
I've never done this in my life.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Can we smell it?
Can you slow that down and show them again? Did you see the way that fell apart? Like, perfect?
You gotta scoop it out with a spoon, dum-dum. So technically the only people that like fruit chaat in our house is Osama,
Mom and Dad.
Dad. I have a theory that Mom doesn't like it, but she eats it because it's fruit. Am I wrong or am I right?
You're right.
I'm right. I think I know you the best out of everybody.
Yeah, because you guys travel together, that's why.
Yo, I won't say never. But
I wouldn't say never, just in case I want to go somewhere and UZAIR's down.
Yeah, in
if he
case I
wants to
have
go,
no
I'm
one else
down.
to go with it. But in general, in my head, I have this theory. I'm like, I don't want to ever travel with UZAIR.
Yeah, okay.
But I don't have enough friends to travel with, or like people who are down.
That's
so.
depressing. Why you gotta like
It's not
depress
depressing. I'm saying the truth.
Why
What
you
do
gotta
want me
make
to do? Lie to them?
People are gonna be like, oh shit, that sucks.
Yeah, it does suck.
It does suck, so it is depressing. So you're
Yeah, but I'm
it's
not
depressing.
sad about it. I'm not like crying about it. I'm like, okay, so I've accepted it. You know how there's like the denial stage and then the acceptance stage. Like I'm past all of that.
Alright guys, Kabuza time. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go have again. Ready? Papa.
You're gonna chop.
Yo, the way it falls over, yo, like slow all those things down. Papa. Ready?
I'm waiting for it. It would be a perfect thumbnail. Chop your finger off. Okay, so I don't think I'm showing you guys how I cut my thing, but I basically make slits into it and then I just chop them all off. Mom, your oil's
Wait,
good?
that was smart, yo. Why am I doing this?
Mom, your oil's
It's
good?
okay, it's okay.
So we gotta start cutting like this really quickly. I don't recommend, are you children? If you're children, I don't recommend this for you.
Are you children?
If you're old and you cut yourself, don't blame me, bro. what I'm saying? That's your fault, buddy. Alright, yo, that's enough melon, yo. One
they
more.
don't deserve that much melon. We can eat these by ourselves.
Hold on.
Think about it.
Lava did this so good. Watch, I'm gonna do this one time.
Your knife ain't that sharp. I'm a thug. It ain't. Wait. I don't know.
Why'd you look for me for confirmation,
I was
bro?
gonna say do thugs.
We're not in the center. But we don't have time, guys. We don't have time to fix this right now.
I don't have time.
Shut up.
So what I'm gonna do?
Okay, guys. So next, what we're
Why are you taking over my channel?
Because we're running out of time. What are we gonna do? Quick.
Oi, that's too much. That's too much.
Why is that too much?
He's so stupid. It was supposed to be just a splash. Splash.
Okay, guys.
This one went.
Lemon juice.
First of all, what was on your hand? It like squirted.
It was melon. We have a lemon, right? I don't know how I'm gonna catch the seeds.
Oh, I know how.
Go wash your hands, quick, quick.
They've been washed. It's gross, right? I feel really gross. First of all, half that shit went into the bowl. Okay, that's it. We don't need that much lemon.
Ask mom.
How much lemon?
So
No. Are you dumb? This is
Chaat masala, quick.
Slushy with like.
No, guys. See, this is.
Chaat masala goes in last.
Chalo, what else is left? Quick.
I hate chaat masala.
Is that good?
Wow. Oh my god, smell it. It smells like fruit chaat. It smells like Ramzan.
It smells like Ramadan. Okay, I know we're in a rush, but make sure you guys go check out Mama Zaid's channel where we make spring rolls and we make spring rolls and we make all kinds of food every day. You know what I'm saying?
You ask, we give.
You ask, we give recipes for days. Make sure you check out Mama Zaid's channel. We got spring rolls, we got samosa, we got all kinds of stuff. Mama Zaid, can you say hi?
Hello.
See? That's Mama Zaid.
Where do I put these extra melons?
Shit, I don't know.
Where did the extra melons go? Mom, look.
Hold on. I have an idea.
Oh, and then?
Uh-huh.
And then? Fridge mix.
And then we go like that.
Fridge. So mom actually prepared the dahi bada mix for her channel. So you're gonna see that sometime this week on her channel. But I'm gonna make some dahi bada.
So make it.
I don't have to fry it. What do you think I was gonna do this? Make
Anything else?
Lemonade ruhafza. They don't know how to do that. No, the one that Nani made for us. First of all, it's my video.
Yeah, here, you take this, I'll take this. Go.
Put the pani in the. Sorry, this is English. Put the water.
Stop this.
Hey, you want to make sure it's not too full though, because we're gonna put a lot of other liquids.
I think yours is too full. Drink some. Take a sip.
I can't drink it. I'm rolling. Yeah,
Oh yeah. Imagine.
you have to show them the cool color.
Yo.
Show them the cool color.
Oh, okay. Ready? So get it off you. Okay, quick, open it. What? I'm mixing it.
Pakistan. It says Pakistan.
No, this is the real
Yo,
ruhafza.
I'm sorry we love our Indian food and everyone, but like the ruhafza from Pakistan is way better than the one from India.
That much better?
Yeah. Way better. What you want to do is you have to add a splash of lemon juice.
More than a splash.
More than a splash? Tell me when.
Let's try it now.
I can't try it.
So then what are we gonna do?
It's actually really good if you put ice in it, and also after you can taste it, you want to put like more ruhafza and more lemon juice, but it's so good with lemon in it.
It's Faluda vibes, you know?
Yeah, oh my god, we should make faluda, Mom.
I'm gonna make.
Okay, good. Oh look, she's fixing it.
She's fixing it. Look, guys.
Look.
It's a lot more red now too.
Oh, that's why.
Yes, you have to put less things.
So the samosa that Mom made, we're gonna actually make them frozen, and you're gonna pop them in there. Yo, don't throw it like that. Oh my god, you're so stupid. It's freaking going everywhere. How many do we put in, Mom?
That's
1,
enough.
2, 3, 4, 6. Mama, I have to do that stuff.
It's never gonna be done by the time you do it.
Every time I try to do a video of cooking things for you guys, she sabotages it.
How many views you got? A lot. How many subs you got? A lot. A lot.
I like that song.
Yeah, me too. It's kind of interesting.
Made by me. Huh?
It's alright, Lava. This poor guy almost didn't get cooked.
Sorry. I name you Samosi. Mom's feeling the rosa. She just doesn't want to say it on camera. Minas are good, yo. Minas I cannot eat all day.
Yo, what happened to TikTok, Lava?
Yo, me and Mom are gonna become. Do you want to be part of it?
No.
One
I'm just
chance,
wondering.
one chance only.
One chance? What are you guys doing?
Yo, we're gonna become TikTok famous.
But you guys haven't done nothing to be TikTok famous. That's what I'm
Mom,
asking.
what is your TikTok?
Mama said.
Mama M-O-M-M-A?
Can I see one of your videos? Can we show them right now?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta put it on
Yeah.
without putting it on.
Look, okay, these are done. Now time for our diapers.
Nice.
Pew, 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 pew.
Okay, reggaeton
Oh, that's what
song,
I was
guys.
gonna tell you. I realized.
Pew, 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 pew.
DJ Lila. Okay, no, I really,
DJ Lila.
I'm really good at making sounds.
Okay, make a sound right
No,
now.
I can't do it right
Nah,
now.
make a
But,
sound.
like, I was telling
You
Mom, I was
can't
like,
talk
Mom,
that
I'm
shit.
gonna be on my bike and I'm gonna go meow 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 meow. That's how bike sounds.
Nah, bro, you shit.
How does the bike sound?
Do a sound.
That was the bike.
That's how a bike sounds.
Okay, Mom.
Yo, stop asking. Just do.
Okay, guys, time for the diaper. No, just tell me what to do from far.
हटो ना देखो मैं सुबह पहले के नहीं.
There, man. And these don't have to be round.
No, this has to be round.
Who told you they're not?
करना है ना पानी में.
Put it, do it with your hand, man.
They never look round in the thing.
Yeah, but at least you try.
She's like, actually, they have to be round.
Why are you doing it with spoons? You should do it with your hand.
No, because it's gonna be sticky. Who's trying to get your hand sticky? Here, try. So I'm gonna try to leave them in longer.
Can we
so
see the halat of this one?
the Meantime, I put the yogurt down here in the little pan because I'm gonna put the pakode in here and then put more yogurt on top. And then we also have these. I was telling you guys about in my vlog. Namak pare. So good.
You can taste.
Ooh, it's pink. Chaat masala and diaper
That's
is
good.
right?
Because mom says half teaspoon, but you got times it by 3 for that.
Oh, chaat masala went up my nose and made a left.
And made a left.
It's
It's there to
chilling
stay, eh?
Yeah, I feel like it's not gonna come out.
So you're getting exposed in the back for mom doing the remainder of the work. Did you realize that?
I just turned around and I was like, oh shit.
After they're fried, make sure you deboil them for a bit.
Deboil
It's just
them
water.
in water.
Yeah, it's just plain water.
Why are you guys standing together like a team?
Peace, love, prosperity.
What are
Peace, love, prosperity.
Mom is gonna hit you with a spoon.
She's giving us the silent treatment now, I'm realizing.
Yeah, I've been realizing that. I don't know what
She
we
literally,
did.
for the past,
We did something.
we've been talking for the past 5 minutes. She hasn't,
She doesn't like
she's
it.
not acknowledging us right now.
Is everything okay at home? You alright? That. She's angry.
Mom is Rosai. What is
No,
it?
She's angry.
What's she angry at?
She's angry at your face. Sometimes it does that to me too. No, my
Yo,
face
you
brings-
guys see how there's that Snapchat filter makes you look like a boy? I look like UZAIR. I have to look at this. I have to do this because my mom keeps
Because they're
forcing
not
me.
soft yet. You have to make sure they're soft and above.
She doesn't trust you, Laba, that's why.
Okay, so basically the reason they're in water, you have to get them soft because if you put them in the yogurt right away, they're gonna soak up all the yogurt and then you can put as much yogurt as you want. It's just gonna keep soaking it up. Oh, these are made not from besan.
They're made from lentils.
They're made from lentils.
You didn't know what to say for
I
dal,
was
did
just gonna
you?
say dal.
That's a weird face. Just put them all, man. It's not that serious. It's diaper.
Yeah.
Okay, Lab, just do it.
Do you
Just
have
put
a
them all.
shortage of yogurt in this house? Usually mom's always
Okay,
right.
पता क्या है ये सारे वहाँ पर रख देते हैं लाकर.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna
So
do.
when she left, you grabbed like 4 at a time.
Always, because she she doesn't want to rest.
She doesn't want you to do this.
Okay, am I doing it wrong? Tell me how
No,
to
no,
do it.
it's fine. Do
Oh,
it.
you want
It's
me
fine.
to
It
do
looks
this?
good.
Right? You want me to do this?
Yeah.
Zara, look at her face. Like her eyebrows twitching or something. You see
But
mom in
you
the
know, it
sideline.
does not look that pretty or like the way she's doing. Looks so nice. Okay, अब क्या करूँ?
This video should be titled "My Whole Family Helping Me Make IFTAAR."
Yeah, more or
Okay.
less.
Smart. And then I always put more on in my own bowl.
Right? Because it tastes so much better when you
So
add
good,
better.
Yo. You have to add this if you like.
Facts.
So all the stuff is set up on the table. Let me show you guys. Mom got her chai ready. Mom made spring rolls on her channel. This is all the stuff that we just made. We have some donuts. Now the time is to wait. And while we wait, I think you guys already know this. Mom is preparing the protein shake. I'm also gonna prepare one for myself. So leave that out, please, Mom. Sama, try my food.
Which one did you make?
I made everything minus Well, I put together the dahi bade, I put together the fruit chaat, and I fried the samosa.
It's actually really good.
I know, because I did
She
nothing.
made a sharbat for you.
Oh, and I made sharbat, but just one.
I was wondering, is something off about this? It's good though.
It's good. I don't know fruit chaat कैसी वो भी लावा ने बनाई.
Well, I put too much mango juice in it.
Maybe still find nothing wrong with that too now.
Okay guys, the video ends here. Make sure you're drinking lots of water throughout this whole Ramadan. I bought this bottle and mom's very upset that I paid $20 for the bottle. Make sure you subscribe here, subscribe to my vlogging channel, subscribe to my entire family like always, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Delicious.
Bye!